Hey y'all, welcome back, KG Gang. So we're making a video showing my dad's truck, my four-wheeler and stuff. Y'all remember. Alright, first off, we're gonna start off with this baby, my Suzuki RM80. She's big for an RM80 too. Alright, so there's that wheat lawnmower. She runs good. Alright, here's my baby. This was one of my first ever things I've ever gotten to drive. There's my dog. Alright, now we walk over to my dad's truck. I'll show y'all his forge too. So here's his truck. It's a 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. Not a Hemi though. Alright guys. Bye.